A 4 microfarad capacitor is charged by a 200 volt supply. It is then disconnected from the supply and is connected to another uncharged 2 microfarad capacitor. How much electrostatic energy of the first capacitor is lost? इस क्वेश्चन में कह रहे हैं एक 4 माइक्रोफेरेड कैपेसिटी का कैपेसिटर है और इसको 200 वोल्ट डीसी सप्लाई से हम चार्ज करते हैं, और एक ये दूसरा कैपेसिटर है 2 माइक्रोफेरेड कैपेसिटी का जो अनचार्ज्ड है। चार्ज कैपेसिटर को डीसी सप्लाई से डिसकनेक्ट करके और उसके साथ ये अनचार्ज कैपेसिटर ऐसे कनेक्ट कर दिया जाता है, तो इसमें चार्जेस का रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होगा। तो इस रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ चार्ज में कितना एनर्जी लॉस हो रहा है ये इस क्वेश्चन में हमें कैलकुलेट करना है। चार्ज स्टोर इन कैपेसिटर, चार्ज स्टोर्ड इन कैपेसिटर C1, Q1 is equal to C1 V1 is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 6 farad into 200 volt. This is equal to 8.0 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb. We have converted 4 microfarad into farad by multiplying it with 10 to the power minus 6, and energy stored U1 is equal to half C1 V1 square. Put the value of C1 which is 4 into 10 power minus 6 farad, and V1 is 200, so V1 square, so 200 into 200. So energy stored in this capacitor is 8.0 into 10 power minus 2 joule. Now we connect this uncharged capacitor to this charged capacitor like this. Then what will happen? Electrons from negative plate of charge capacitor will move towards the second plate of uncharged capacitor, and electrons from first plate of uncharged capacitor will move towards the positively charged plate. So in this way, after some time, charges will be redistributed and picture is like this. After redistribution of charge, suppose charge on first capacitor is Q1 dash and charge on second capacitor is Q2 dash. So this Q1 dash plus Q2 dash will be equal to Q1 because due to conservation of charge there is only redistribution of charge, there is no loss of charge. So sum of Q1 dash and Q2 dash is equal to initial charge Q1 which is equal to 8.0 into 10 power minus 4 coulomb. Now charges will redistribute according to the capacity, ratio of capacity. Now C1 upon C2 is equal to 4 by 2 which is equal to 2 by 1. So Q1 dash upon Q2 dash is equal to 2 upon 1. So from here Q1 dash is equal to 2 Q2 dash. Now substitute value of Q1 dash from here in first. So Q1 dash plus Q2 dash is equal to Q1 becomes 2 Q2 dash plus Q2 dash is equal to Q1. This is 3 Q2 dash is equal to Q1. So Q2 dash is equal to Q1 upon 3, and Q1 is 8.0 into 10 power minus 4 coulomb. So charge on second capacitor Q2 dash is equal to 8 upon 3 into 10 power minus 4 coulomb, and charge on first capacitor, this is Q1 dash is equal to 16 upon 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb. Now suppose after redistribution of charges, potential difference between A and B is V. This is known as common potential. And common potential V is equal to total charge upon total capacity. Substitute the value. Q is equal to 8.0 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb, which is total charge. Q1 is equal to, and total capacity C1 plus C2. So V is equal to 8.0 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb divided by total capacity 6.0 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. So this is equal to 400/3 volt. This is common potential. Now final energy after redistribution of charge U dash is equal to half C1 plus C2 V square. This is equal to half 6.0 into 10 power minus 6 into 400/3 into 400/3, which is 16/3 into 10 power minus 2 joule. Now energy before redistribution of charge U1 is equal to half C1 V1 square. So this is equal to half into 4.0 into 10 minus 6 into 200 into 200. This is equal to 8.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule. So loss of energy in this process, delta U is equal to initial electrostatic potential energy U minus final electrostatic potential energy U dash. So this is equal to 8.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule minus 16/3 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule, which is equal to 8/3 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule. This is our answer. Energy is lost in the form of heat and electromagnetic radiation.